You're tuning in to Channel 69 News. I am Eric Johnson, and today's weather is going to be cloudy. The current time is 10:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Buildings such as the White House and the city of Atlanta, Georgia, are being repaired as we speak. That's all I have for now. This is Eric Johnson, signing off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Raleigh Police Department. Several 911 calls have been made regarding a gang breaking into homes and brutally and slowly murdering everyone inside. However, two of these several 911 calls reported a bigger man, seemingly the boss of this gang. The description authorities were given is the exact same as 27-year-old Jason Rodriguez. This has led authorities to believe that Jason and his gang are going for quote-unquote, round two. Lock all doors, windows, and all pets must be kept indoors. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for information on this uprising situation.
What's this? More human to kill off? Well, I guess I should make my own. I should let you win.
Rest assured, Godzilla. I am on your side. I am Jason Rodriguez, and just like you, I want to kill everyone in this world, as revenge.
Revenge? And if I would team up with the likes of a human, although I guess I could use a bit of help with killing and terror.
Come on. We can help. Me and my gang are nothing to be messed with. We can do work for you, serve you, kill for you, even.
Okay then, first order of business, kill off everyone in this city. Can you do that?
With pleasure, ease, and passion, Godzilla.
Excellent. I shall be destroying buildings if you need me. Go forth. Yes, Roderick will let go.
Alright, see you in a bit. Me and my gang will release a gunshot in the air to indicate that everyone has been killed.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina State Police. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Godzilla, along with Jason Rodriguez and his gang, have been confirmed to be working together, and now plan to kill off everyone in the entire state, starting with the capital. Grab all pets, non-perishable food, water, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with you to last you until further notice. If immediate action is not taken, you will most certainly die. Stay tuned to local news and media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 9:31 p.m., Godzilla attacked a nuclear power plant, and radiation has leaked everywhere. Jason Rodriguez and his gang have also launched several ballistic nukes headed for the state of South Dakota. Flee to a southeastern or northeastern part of the United States, as the team have already done their damage there. Evacuate immediately.
You want to escape from my wrath? You will only suffer a defect hand of a fate you cannot control. Accept your fate. Accept your fate. Accept your fate. Accept your fate.